My buddy Bob stopped by the blacksmith shop the other day, and he gave me this railroad spike and asked me to make him a hunting knife with a gut hook. So the first thing I'm going to do is fire up the old Little Giant power hammer and pound the blade into this sort of vague spatula type shape. Now I'm going to take that initial shape and push it over the horn of the anvil in order to offset it to where the handle's going to be. As I continue to hammer away at the blade, it becomes longer and thinner. And here, I'm using this swedge to shape the point of the knife. I'm using this tool under the power hammer to establish a small finger notch just below the blade. And now I'm working the blade side to side under the hammer dies in order to spread some width. Now I'm just gently spreading and tapering the cutting edge of the blade. I'm twisting the handle 1/4 turn at a time, and I'm going twice all the way around. Making sure things are straight. Now I've got the profile shape traced on the blade, and I'm going to use this grinder to get that profile established. And I'm using this machine to shape the bevels of the blade and get a rough surface finish. Heating up once again and applying the stamp that is my maker's mark, and quenching in oil to harden the blade. You can see it now has that black oxide on it. We're going to go through some finer belts and polishing wheels to bring the surface finish up to a more acceptable level. And now I'm cutting away the material where my gut hook's going to go. This very thin grinding wheel allows me to sharpen inside the gut hook. And with this wheel, it's made of felt and treated with a very fine aluminum oxide grit. That allows me to polish things out and smooth them. Making some decorative work on the back of the spine of the knife, giving it a final polish and bringing up the cutting edge. And now, just in time for deer season, a hunting knife with a gut hook forged from a railroad spike.